Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will guide you how you can fix the Instagram follow back option. For that, go to the Play Store, search your Instagram app. Here, if you see the update option here, just tap on it and update your Instagram. Secondly, just go to the setting of your phone. Here are many options but just tap on the apps option. Then select the app management. Here are many apps. Simply you need to search Instagram. Here on stories uses you can clear cache. Next is make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. After you do these steps, you simply need to restart your phone once. Then, after doing this process, you can successfully fix the problem of Instagram follow back. So, this was it, guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it for more tutorial videos. So,